I have a Dodge Ram here. This one took a hit to the bed in this right rear corner, pushed all of this way in. So this one's going to be getting a new outer bedside, as well as these corner structure pieces that go in this corner, which I have right here. That goes on the inside right there. Then we have this is that piece, and this sandwiches in between those. First, I left the bed on the truck bolted down because I want to make a couple pulls on this corner before I cut it apart, because this rear cross member is rolled in, but it should, if I pull this, I should be able to work that right back into shape and repair this cross member. So I'm gonna go ahead and, before I lift this bed off, I'm gonna cut this back part off to get it out of my way so I can get up here and finish repairing this. And I want to do it while it's up on the frame rack, because I might need to do another pull on this once this is off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dissect this back half, get this repaired, then I'll go ahead and get the bed off the truck and finish cutting it apart. Looks like the people at Line-X left tape on the bed whenever they sprayed the liner in there. We will let Line-X take care of that. They might have to strip a bunch of this out because that's a problem. So I went ahead and roughly fit this one together just to make sure this inner structure is sitting where it's supposed to be. Unlike most of the trucks out there, most of them have adjustment at this mounting point right here, but Dodges, for whatever reason, don't. So there's no adjustment, so this is gonna sit exactly where I weld it. So I wanna make sure the structure is sitting in the right spot and everything looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the bedside back off, and I'm gonna get this corner, this inner structure all welded together. So I got this one all fit up one final time. Tailgate latches, shuts nicely, lines up good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bedside welded on, and then this one will be ready for paint.